Stages of infection, leading cause of morbidity and mortality in the Philippines. Learning objectives, explain the different elements of the chain of infection, discuss the stages of infection, analyze the leading causes of morbidity and mortality in the Philippines. Pretest, multiple choice, direction. How much do you know about the stages of infection and the leading causes of morbidity and mortality in the Philippines? Let's find out by answering the following question by encircling the correct answer. 1. Blank is any condition that interferes with the proper functioning of the body or mind. The correct answer is A. Disease. 2. Blank is a disease that can be passed to a person from another person, animal, or object. The correct answer is B. Communicable disease. 3. Blank are disease-causing organisms that are so small you need a microscope to see them. Think a fancy word for germs. The correct answer is D. Pathogen. 4. Blank is a mode of transmission by kissing. The correct answer is A. Direct. 5. What are the ways to limit exposure to communicable diseases? The correct answer is all of the above. Stages of infection, leading causes of morbidity and mortality in the Philippines. Definition of terms. Communicable or infectious disease is any illness that you can catch or can be passed from one person to another. An illness due to a specific infectious agent or its toxic products capable of being directly or indirectly transmitted from man to man, animal to man, or from environment, air, dust, soil, water, and food. Contact or mode of transmission is the most common form of transmitting diseases and virus. There are two types of contact or mode of transmission, direct and indirect. Direct contact transmission occurs when there is physical contact between an infected person and susceptible person. Indirect contact transmission occurs when there is no direct human-to-human contact. Contact occurs from a reservoir to contaminated surface or object, or to a vector such as mosquitoes, flies, mites, fleas, ticks, rodents, or dogs. Chain of infection. More specifically, transmission occurs when the agent leaves its reservoir or host through a portal of exit, is conveyed by some mode of transmission, and enters through an appropriate portal of entry to infect a susceptible host. Chain of infection. Number 1. Pathogen. It is an organism with the ability to cause disease. 2. Reservoir. It is a place within which microorganism can thrive and produce. 3. Portal of exit. It provides a way for a microorganism to leave the reservoir. 4. Mode of transmission. It is the method by which the organism moves from one host to another. 5. Portal of entry. It is an opening allowing the microorganism to enter the host. 6. The susceptible host. It is a person who cannot resist a microorganism invading its body. Stages of infection. Incubation stage. It is when a person acquires the pathogen until the appearance of the first sign, called silent stage. Prodromal stage. It is when there is non-specific signs and symptoms appearing, like headaches, runny nose, or slight fever. Illness or clinical stage. It is the time when illness reaches its highest point of development. Severe ache, vomiting, high fever, sore throat, and sinus congestion. Recovery or convalescent stage. This is the time when recovery seems complete although the disease is still communicable. Pathogen has mostly eliminated. Morbidity and mortality. Morbidity is any physical or psychological state considered to be outside the realm of normal well-being. It is often used to describe illness, impairment, or degradation of health, especially when discussing chronic and age-related diseases which can be worsened over time. Mortality, the state or condition of being subject to death, mortal character, nature, or existence. The relative frequency of death in a specific population, death rate. Mortal beings collectively, humanity. Top 10 leading causes of morbidity and mortality in the Philippines. 1. Diseases of the heart. 2. Diseases of the vascular system. 3. Malignant neoplasm. 4. Pneumonia. 5. Accident. 6. Tuberculosis. 7. Chronic lower respiratory disease. 8. Diabetes mellitus. 9. Nephritis, nephrotic syndrome, or nephrosis. 10. Certain conditions originating in the prenatal period. Symptoms of COVID-19. Most common symptoms: fever, dry cough, tiredness. Less common symptoms: aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on skin or discoloration of fingers and toes. Serious symptoms: chest pain, difficulty of breathing or shortness of breath, loss of speech or movement, loss of senses of smell and taste. For activity, true or false. Direction: write T if the statement is true and F if false. 1. Prodromal stage is the time between the entries of infectious agent in the host. The correct answer is false. 2. Pathogen. It is an organism with the ability to cause disease. The correct answer is true. 3. Reservoir. It is a virus that comes from bat. The correct answer is false. 4. Communicable diseases can be transferred through the genes of the family members. The correct answer is false. 5. To avoid spread of diseases, one must sanitize like washing of hands and do other personal hygiene. The correct answer is true. Post-test. Multiple choice. Direction. Choose the letter of the correct answer. 1. What is the stage when you feel a bit better and disappearance of the disease, or it is the time the host recovers gradually and returns to baseline? The correct answer is B. Convalescent stage. 2. Blank of an infectious illness is the period between end of incubation period and the point at which the characteristic symptoms of the illness appear. The correct answer is prodromal stage. 3. Blank, the state or condition of being subject to death, mortal character, nature, or existence. The correct answer is C. Mortality. 4. What is the stage that is onset of non-specific sign of infection like slight elevated of temperature? The correct answer is C. Prodromal stage. 5. Blank is the method by which the organism moves from one host to another. The correct answer is D. Mode of transmission. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.